Hi everyone, I Krishna from Emacs International School is here to tell you about crop production and management. First of all, I will tell you about crop. The plant grown of same kind in a large scale in field is called crop. Agricultural practices. The practices which are performed by a farmer for getting good crop yield is called agricultural practices. Agriculture, the growing of plants for getting food and other products. Winnowing, the separating of grains from the chaff with the help of wind is called winnowing. Threshing, the separating of grains by beating it on a hard surface or using a combine or thresher is called threshing. Weeds, the unwanted plants which are grown with the plants or crop are called weedicides. The chemical substances which are used to stop the growth of weeds are called weedicides. It do not harm crop. Granaries, the storehouses of grains, especially it has been hushed or threshed. Now I will tell you about fertilizers. Fertilizers are the chemical substances which are rich in plant nutrients and essential for plant growth are called fertilizers. Manure, the organic substances which are formed due to the decomposition of plant and animal waste. In India, the crops can be divided into two types, Rabi and Kharif. Some of the Kharif crops are groundnut, cotton, jowar, wheat, and Rabi crop, potato, barley, mustard, etc. Now, you should do these things must before growing a crop. Preparation of soil, weeding and threshing. So first of all, I will tell you about how to preparate a soil by plowing and leveling and then putting manure. So you first of all you should plow your farm with a plow by a traditional plow or a cultivator. Leveling can be done by a iron leveler or a wooden plank. Manure is mixed with the soil. Sowing is done by the two methods, by doing the seed drill or putting it by manually in hand manually it into the soil. It's called broadcasting. The seed must be sown at right depth and equal distance. At equal distance is called sowing. Now you should know about weeding. The process of removing the weed from the crop is called weeding. Weeding can be done by pulling it manually by removing weeds using a trowel, khurpa, or a harrow. You can do by spraying weedicides on the crop. It do not harm the crop. Threshing, separating grains from the chaff or stalk is called threshing. Threshing can be done by using a combine, a thresher, or by beating it on a hard surface. Thank you. Have a nice day.